Snore.
Hey, Stairs.
Are you unboxing a parcel? What did you buy?
Want to join me?
Sure.
So, how's it going? This is your first school after NIE, right?
Yep. So far, so good. I guess. You know, we had Flag Day last week.
Hi, please donate. Thank you. Please donate. Hello, please donate.
Please donate.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, please donate.
Is this for charity?
Yes.
Phoebe, who is one of my student leaders, said that Nick wasn't really helping much.
Which school are you from?
Hi, would you like to donate?
Hi, where the money go to?
Ms Kuan, Nick is not helping much. Can we change another team member?
Phoebe, instead of changing a team member, what could you do as a student leader to resolve this? Do you think what I did was right?
Did you approach Nick?
No, I did not. I intuitively asked Phoebe to resolve the conflict independently, which I thought could help to build on her leadership qualities.
Great instinct. Letting them resolve issues help build resilience. But sometimes there is more to it beneath the surface. Maybe there is underlying factor that is affecting Nick's behavior.
You're right. I could have taken time to observe and understand the situation more thoroughly. Nick, come with me. Nick, is speaking to strangers hard for you?
I get sweaty palms when I talk to strangers. Panic when they ask questions like where the money will go to or which school I'm from.
You know, I used to hide behind my parents when strangers spoke to me too. Okay, let's try this together. First, let's take a deep breath. Okay, let's focus on making eye contact. Come, practice with me. Good. Okay, now let's practice together. Hi, my name is Nick and I'm from Sunshine Secondary School.
Hi, my name is Nick and I'm from Sunshine Secondary School.
Would you like to donate?
Would you like to donate?
Good. Now let's try one more time.
Hi, I'm Nick from Sunshine Secondary School. Would you like to donate?
Very good. Have more confidence in yourself, Nick. Now go on and join your team.
I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Hi, I'm Nick from Sunshine Secondary School. Would you like to donate? Thank you.
Nick, that was awesome.
Thank you.
Let's work towards our goal together.
Thanks, Ms. Snow, for the advice. It's really amazing how these teachable moments could help infuse students with 21cc. It helps them to build confidence and become active contributors.
Wow, you're like a mobile 21cc guidebook.
So, what's really inside the box?
It's a Swiss roll for our tea break.
As teachers, we hold the key to unlocking 21cc's in everyday moments. Lead with empathy, guide with intention, shape the future with every small act.